Today we're going to do some clay color smoke balls by Megabanger. We've got an assortment of all sorts of different colors. Let's start off, let's do a green one. And why not, we'll throw blue out there with it. Blue. Yeah, that blue's really cool. Let's do a white. White. Obviously, guys, these aren't anything way too big, just little smoke balls, but... Alright, we got a purple one. Let's do the purple. Purple. That white one actually produced quite a lot of smoke. Let's see how good this purple one does. Oh, that's a nice color. It's not purple, but... whew, like a pink color. Pretty cool. Alright. And then I think the only last color we got... oh, I like the smell of those. And the last one we got is a yellow. That yellow doesn't put very much out, but... yeah, they're color smoke balls. Can't say too much about them other than they smoked. They're alright.